Greetings, YouTube. Just a quick peek at the zinnias that we're currently growing along the curve in our front yard garden extended grow area. You see our zinnias are now coming into blossom with spectacular colors here along the curve in our front yard garden extended grow area, YouTube. And this, YouTube, again, this is indeed what our zinnias are currently looking like. Thanks for watching. And if indeed you currently are watching this video on the zinnias that we're currently growing along the curve in our front yard garden extended grow area, and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumbs Gardening channel, please indeed take this moment to put that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, YouTube, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, YouTube, yes indeed, yeah. Our now 4th generation seed grown zinnias along the curve in our front yard garden extended grow area. Thanks for watching, YouTube.